Welcome to Roseland Cottages, an eco-friendly retreat set in the breathtaking hills of Bandarawela, Sri Lanka. Join us as we explore this serene retreat, perfect for nature lovers and those who are seeking a perfect getaway. Located just 11 kilometers east of Bandarawela, Roseland Cottages offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Whether you are traveling from the bustling city of Colombo or the scenic town of Lanka, these cottages provide the perfect escape. One of the standout features of Roseland Cottages is the breathtaking view from your balcony. You'll be captivated by a sweeping 180-degree panorama of majestic mountains. In the distance, you will catch glimpses of faraway peaks through the gaps in the closer ranges. When the mist rolls in, the scene transforms into a mystical wonderland, while clear skies reveal endless mountain ranges bathed in a soft light blue hue. As the sun rises, it casts stunning shades of yellow and dark green across the landscape, creating an ever-changing masterpiece right before your eyes. And of course, from your balcony, you can witness a stunning sunrise, where the first light of the day spills over the peaks, bathing the entire vista in a warm, golden glow that is simply unforgettable. In the morning, the tranquility is almost surreal. The only sounds you will hear are the melodious tweets of birds, enhancing the peaceful ambience. The green and sunlit mountains stand majestically, with the still cottages looking out at the serene scene. Each of the charming cottages features a private balcony where you can soak in the panoramic mountain views. Inside, you will find all the comforts of home, including a flat-screen TV, free Wi-Fi, and a private bathroom with a shower, hot and cold water, fresh bed linen and towels, and convenient amenities like a refrigerator, an electric kettle for tea making, a clothes rack, and toilet paper, not forgetting the comfy beds. Start your day with a selection of warm dishes, local specialties, and fresh fruits at the family-friendly restaurant, serving delicious Asian cuisine. And for additional convenience, breakfast in the room is also available. A leisurely walk to the restaurant, surrounded by this natural beauty, is a perfect start to the day. Before enjoying your breakfast, you can take in the stunning view from the restaurant and then indulge in a delicious Sri Lankan breakfast, making the experience even more delightful. For lunch, the hotel offers delightful traditional Sri Lankan rice and curry. This meal features fresh vegetables and perfectly cooked rice, accompanied by a variety of traditional dishes. The flavors are moderately spicy, making it enjoyable for everyone.
Bonchi, pandakka, kotuklu sambole, parippu, pipeña salade, kukulmas, chicken, kesel bedala, fried bananas.
Not only is it delicious, but it's also a healthy option that showcases the rich culinary heritage of Sri Lanka. Before dinner, we relaxed with a beer, some drinks, delicious bites, and tasty snacks. For dinner, we enjoyed a soup, string hoppers, potato curry, fish curry, and coconut sambal. It was a delicious and a satisfying meal to end the day. We also took a coffee factory tour where they demonstrated the entire process of coffee production. The whole process is manual, making it a fascinating experience to explore.
Arabica, medium roast.
We sampled some of their specialties, including blue tea and white tea, the latter being the most expensive. Don't forget to take a tour of the Roseland Coffee Factory, conveniently located next to the cottages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time.